Welcome to This Thing's Got Problems. I'm Eric. And the thing that has problems today is not the truck. It is that way out there. The daily driver, the Chevy Sonic 2018 1.8 liters of turn the AC off to pass fury. And the problems that it has is, it's not problems, it's more of like maintenance. The fact that I was going to run it into the ground and not give a single F about it and just, let a Chevy dealer who's desperate because they don't make cars anymore, make me an offer, and I was just going to send it to them. But now it's, I guess the problem would be is that it's staying in the family. It's going to go to someone else. So now I got to maintain the damn thing. Great, not what I was planning on doing. So with that being said, police went by again. That's awesome. Let's get in here and I'll show you everything that it needs. So she's got 90,000 miles on her now, mostly highway. The original 10,000 miles though that I bought it with are the questionable miles. Chicago car, had both bumpers, clear coated, because they've been bouncing off of other cars while parking. And it was a female car. It was a young female car because, well, it's a Chevy Sonic and they're very cheap. And you can tell because when you turn the AC on, it smells like Party Girl. So it needs a cabin filter. And that's what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to make a series of short videos and show you how to do little maintenance things. I got a bench full of parts up there, but today we'll stick with the cabin filter. And then, it's rained for a solid 6 years now here in Wisconsin. So while the sun's out, we're going to do what we can do with that. And then next weekend, some more maintenance. Eventually we're going to get to brakes and then the big dog. This will be some work. So we got that right there. It's got some brake pads somewhere. Air filter. Probably not going to worry about this today because I'm going to have to rip all that out anyhow. Spark plugs. These were rolling around the box. I ordered them from Amazon, so I'm sure the gap is still dead on. Nope, probably not. Got those. This will be, trying not to show my address there. This will be fun. This is what we're going to do today. Right here. This is the, what is this brand? I have no idea. It's cheap. Cax Auto. Sure, why not? Air pollutions and toxic gas filter. Okay, if you say so. Get off of there. And, we're just going to slide this in. And it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. You can all do this. At least on this car. On my wife's, that thing right there, that thing is a different issue. But this one should be okay, and probably like most cars. So let's get you in there and I'll show you how to do that. All right, what was that other job that we were going to do on this thing? Well, all the parts your car will ever need. Rock Auto. Timing belt and pulleys and water pump. This is a kit. It's while you're in there, you should probably do the water pump because it's a pain in the ass and you don't want to go out of here. You don't want to go back in there and do that again. So here's this guy right there. Went with the Continental. Got some good reviews. Comes with all the things. I like that a lot because most of the things I've been getting are not that. We all know where they're coming from and we need to stop buying the stuff because we know it's just going to break. Why are we putting... All right, I'm going to stop ranting and try to open this box one-handed. More sirens in the background. Believe it or not, it's a nice neighborhood. All right, so Pro Series Plus Contitech timing kits. There's tools you should get for this job for the 1.8 liter of horsepower fury. You need to lock down your cams and you need to lock your crank when you do this job. I don't have that stuff yet, but the kit's like 20 bucks on Amazon, so made of Chinesium trash. But it should do one job. This is, I don't know what I'm looking at here. But there's this. That's adorable. Is that the pump? It must be. There's another pulley type deal with a bearing in there, seals, and the belt. You need that, and a sticker, to tell the next person when it was done, because you never know. And when this goes, and it's not this that goes, I believe it's this. The bearing seizes up, and then you got heat, and then this explodes. Apparently, is what the problem is from what I've read. So it's not necessarily these just explode on you. There's a reason for it. There's a reason why that stuff's in the kit, I imagine. But we will get to that at another time. Today, cabin filter. Let's go now. All right, this is where we're going to get started. And there's a little retainer deal right here. I don't know if you can see that, but we'll jam your face right into that hole right now. All right, see that right there? This thing? You want to smoosh it like so and slide. It's called the smoosh and slide. I just came up with that. And you can see it easily pops off. And then you go around to the other side. And here, hold on. I know the glare sucks. Glare sucks. Hold on, let me try to refocus. Refocusing. Oh, that's good enough. You're gonna smoosh this side, just pull it. Pull it over. And then, whoop, there she goes. She's dropping down. There she goes. Okay, and there we go. It's good to see these cars are held together with hopes and dreams. So next step is right here, and the same on the other side. It's a little tab, push in, and then because I'm doing this one-handed, I already did the other side, and then pull right here. And there we are. And oh God, oh, that's where the party girl smell is coming from. Ugh, perfume, shame, regret, little vomit. Ugh, it looks so disgusting. All right, I'm gonna pull that out. Notice the arrow. Okay, guy, because putting the new one in, same direction. Okay, pointing down. Okay, cool. Okay. Nasty. And now we're gonna reverse the process. Slide this in the hole. Arrows, right there. Okay, same direction. Shut the door. Click, click. Never speak of this again. Back. Lined up with your little tab thing. Opposite of the smush and tug. This is the squeeze and push. Yep, seems right. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. You can do this job in about 48 seconds if you weren't shooting a YouTube show at the same time. It's pretty easy. You should change your filter more than 90,000 miles. All right, do 40, because damn, what even is that? Definitely explains some things. So, yes, very easy thing to do. I showed you this because I see what dealerships charge. Do not pay $100 to have a cabin filter installed, because it is very cheap. That was like $9. Just what I did. Now the cruise, that's a little something more, and I will show you that, because based on the looks of this, I should probably change the wife's. She's gonna be all like, oh, that's disgusting. That's what she sounds like. Thank you for liking and subscribing and checking out the show. My dog's trying to escape right now. That's fine. If you haven't subscribed, hit the button. I'm in a kind of competition with my day job. I'm trying to get more subscribers than my entire work. And just for bragging rights, because I'm competitive. And there might be pizza on the line, so I don't have much longer. You can just hit the subscribe button, That'd be cool. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.